What's happening, people? It's Mr. London Plumber, and today we're going to the phex Plumbing and Heating Show, which is in Chelsea, my neck of the woods. So let's go with the London Plumber. Let's get it. It's a video, guys, so it's a little thumbs up. Hey! Oh, fuck it. Thank you, guys. So we're here already at the notorious Stamford Bridge. Yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's see what's at this show. Right, so I do think this is the right way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep on going down there, and hopefully it will be the right way. If not, we'll ask someone. Do you know what I mean? It's there in front of us, isn't it? Never getting fooled. A couple of people outside. A couple of people. I'm looking for my mate quickly. And I got...
What do you mean all the way? Yeah, so
Right, mate.
How you doing? I'm Darren.
Yeah, I'm not too bad.
You interested?
I'm going to sign up.
Okay, Les Pro, what's it called? Les Pro installer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No sneaky photos. Yeah, that's the water one.
Yeah. So this is the hot. That's the... Okay.
And there's the... so this is going to change slightly. It's going to be a bit stiffer.
Okay.
And it's going to be more of a shrink wrap kind of cover, but that's the underfloor one.
Okay.
But it's going to hold its shape. So this is a bit too flexible. So we changed it. It's going to be similar, but your underfloor version.
Yep.
But it's going to give you 14% better return on your outage than it. Right.
Right, yeah. So that wraps up our tour today, and that has been phex. Got to meet and greet a few people, old faces. Big up Andy Carr, big up all these footballers on the wall, you know. If you've been down Stamford Bridge, you would know. Yeah, good day out.